All right, hello and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. This week I want to talk to you about how self-defense is more than just physical. Now, those of you who've been following me for a while, you know that this is something I talk about quite often, the fact that our self-defense skills are so much more than the physical aspects of fighting, and they involve the things that we use every day: our intuition, our awareness, using our voice, using our ability to set boundaries with people. And those are the things that we are more likely to use every day. Now, are the physical skills important? Absolutely, because when you know that you can back up your voice and your boundaries with your body, it gives you a confidence that you carry with you into every situation that you experience, and that is still a part of self-defense. But I don't want anyone to think that the only way that you can be proficient in self-defense is to have, really high-level physical skills or have to train for years in order to be able to defend yourself. The training that I do with Girls Fight Back can give you training on self-defense within 60 to 90 minutes in basic skills. And then of course I'm going to recommend that you take a full contact class, and I work for Impact Personal Safety where we teach full contact, full force fighting. And in a 3-hour workshop, you can use skills that can be immediately useful to you the minute you leave class. So there are options available for harnessing those physical skills, but I want you to know that you already have everything you need right now on your body to protect yourself. All right, thanks so much for watching, and tune in next time for Outdoor Defense.